My dear scholars, my dear researchers, once the management and managing the organization is being affected by the technologies of information and communication, naturally, then one of the factors which needs to be considered and new thoughts have to be discussed would be that what kind of structures would be more relevant, would be more efficient, and would be more productive and performance oriented as far as the manufacturing or the industrial organizations are concerned, or as far as the workplace is concerned. At the time of World Wide Web, at the time of e-commerce, at the time of involvement of the information and communication technology, the social media and its effect on business really then called for, and management scholar has to discuss that the top-down structure, linear structure, mechanical structure is no longer applicable. So if we look in the functions of management, the very first function is planning. Second function is organizing. So how the workplace is going to be organized, how the work is going to be organized, and how the workers are going to be organized in terms of reporting, in terms of working, in terms of walking, in terms of decision making. So we are going to look at two different structures. Of course, mechanical structure, top-down structure is very well known. But there are other structures as well. And we're talking about structures which is matrix oriented and a structure which is probably required in virtual organizations where the workers are virtual, place is virtual, and through the internet space, they are working together on different projects. So let's first look at the matrix organization structure, how the work is being performed, how the workers are going to report to which kind of manager. Is it a linear structure that one person reporting to one to one? Probably no longer is that applicable when you use information and communication technology. Why? My dear students, the question is why? Well, the reason is very simple. You write an email, you write a memo through email, you can simply click and the mail will go to 10 people, 15 people, it will have a CC, it will have a BCC. ऐसे ही होता है ना? इसका मतलब यह है कि जब प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम होगा तो there will be more than one boss. There will be more than one reporting lines. तो matrix organizations के अंदर you have your traditional functional structure, यानी departmental heads मौजूद हैं, departments मौजूद हैं. Let's say in a business organization, marketing department, production department, operation and production department, HR department, finance department, R&D, you name it. These are the functional departments, and each department is headed by one person. So naturally, people working in the sales team, people working in the marketing team, people working in the branding team probably would be reporting to the head of the marketing. Is it true? Yes. But how about for one particular reason, maybe product design, maybe for a new product development, maybe for a new survey of a new market, you need a project. So project team has to be made. And once the project team is made, then there is going to be a project manager. You will be reporting to him, as well as there is going to be your own head of the functional department. तो प्रोजेक्ट टीम के अंदर एक शख्स मार्केटिंग से हो सकता है, एक एचआर से हो सकता है, एक प्रोडक्शन से हो सकता है, एक फाइनेंस से भी हो सकता है. वो चारों के चारों प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर को भी रिपोर्ट करेंगे और अपने अपने फंक्शनल हेड को भी रिपोर्ट करेंगे. दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंस in the matrix organization. An individual worker or manager in the managing department would report to their heads as well as to the project manager. दूसरा क्या है? Virtual organization, especially software houses. Look at the software companies. They have their offices, for example, in Lahore, in Karachi, in Colombo, in Dubai, in Melbourne, maybe in New York and California. And all of these offices and the people working in those offices are connected through internet. There are projects, there are virtual workers, there are physical workers, but someone is working in Lahore, another one may be working in Melbourne, in Sydney, in Los Angeles. So there is an organization, there is a project team, but they are working virtually. So this kind of organization, they are more flexible, they are more adaptable. They can quickly communicate through technologies. Online, immediate communication. बल्कि लैपटॉप के ऊपर मीटिंग कंडक्ट करने के लिए आपकी विंडो हर वक्त ओपन है. एक विंडो आपकी वर्क विंडो है, दूसरी विंडो आपकी मीटिंग की विंडो है, तीसरी विंडो आपकी रिमाइंडर्स की विंडो है. That's how a virtual organization works. This structure, it allows lower overhead cost. ट्रैवल नहीं करना पड़ रहा. अब तो पाकिस्तान में भी ये बड़ा कॉमन है. हायर एजुकेशन कमीशन, अब मुझे कभी इस्लामाबाद ट्रैवल नहीं करना पड़ता. आई गो टू दी HEC ऑफिस, बल्कि अब तो आई सिट इन माई होम एंड आई ओपन माई लैपटॉप. They send me whatever, link is there, and one is connected in Karachi, the other one in Peshawar, the third one in Islamabad, and I'm sitting in Lahore. Overhead cost, travel cost, time cost is reduced. Efficiency, of course, is increased, and satisfaction and retention of a larger talent pool. अब ट्रैवल की जरूरत नहीं है, तो इस पूल के अंदर कोई प्रोफेसर, कोई वर्कर, कोई सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, कोई प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर, कोई मार्केटियर मेलबर्न से भी हो सकता है, लॉस एंजलिस से भी हो सकता है, लाहौर से भी हो सकता है, कराची से भी हो सकता है. एंड इन अ वर्चुअल एनवायरनमेंट दे आर वर्किंग टुगेदर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.